Hey guys, Costco just dropped some amazing new arrivals for July, and I can't wait to show you what I found from a new glass food storage set and a beautiful dinnerware set to Halloween decor, new shoes for both men and women, delicious treats, and so many more fun finds. There's a lot to check out. If you enjoy Costco shopping videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Check out this new dinnerware set by Mikasa. This one's the Huntington one. You can see it's got some texture to it and it's actually really nice. They have it on display at this Costco. It's service for 8 and it's going for pretty much $100. It's dishwasher and microwave safe, and look at everything that's included. You get a good variety here. You get dinner plates, salad plates, pasta bowls, cereal bowls, and I love that they also include the fruit bowls. Those are 4.4 inches in diameter. And so here they have it on display, as you can see. This is a really nice set. So they have this style, and then they also have this one that's a little bit more solid. Here's another great find. It's a glass food store set by Trudeau. It's the Clever Seal. 12 pieces, so you're getting 6 vessels with 6 lids. It's got an airtight sealing system, BPA free, $32.99. These are also oven safe, you guys. Of course, you can just pop them in the dishwasher, so very easy to clean. They're nestable too, so once you're done using them, they're easy to put away. Here's everything that is included. You get different sizes, so you have one small one of 17 ounce. You get 2 small containers with lids, 29 ounces. You get medium ones and some large ones. So these are perfect for storing leftovers. And again, you can pop these in the oven, so they're super convenient. Costco also brought back these glass mixing bowls with lids. It comes with 4 glass bowls and 4 matching lids. These are going for $16.99 right now. They're great for baking. You can also do mixing, serving, or even storing leftovers. You get one of 3 cups, another one of 5.5 cup, a 9.5 cup one, and a 4.5 quart size. These are safe to use in the microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher. The BPA-free lids fit snugly to help keep your food fresh, and the bowls stack inside each other so they don't have to take up too much cabinet space. Here is another kitchen essential you'll be using all the time. It's a 3-piece glass measuring cup set. This one right here is by Pyrex. Found it at Costco going for $13.99. And this set right here includes the 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup measuring cups. These are great for measuring both dry and liquid ingredients. You can also melt butter or chocolate right in the cup. The measurement markings are very easy to read. They do have built-in spouts and sturdy handles to make pouring easy. And I also love that the glass won't stain or hold on to food odors or flavors. I spotted a new arrival from the Avocado brand. This is organic cotton, a 3-piece coverlet set, and it actually comes with 1 coverlet and 2 shams. It's also available online for those of you that are interested. This is the queen size, and so the 3-piece queen's going for $46.99. Let me show you guys here the different color options. So they do have it in gray, and they also have it in cream. Again, it's 100% organic cotton. I did spot it in the king size too, in case you're in need of king size. Same colors actually. And this one right here is going for $56.99. I can't believe I continue to find more Halloween themed products like this embroidered faux fur throw. It's adorable and it's going for $18.99. It's 60 by 70 inch. It's machine washable, of course. Again, $18.99. They do have 3 different designs. I did spot the cat and the adorable pumpkin one, but I will warn you, there is a 3rd design I didn't spot in this location, and it has really cute ghosts on it. Let me know what you find in your area. Costco never misses with these Halloween decorative pillows, so let me show you guys the ones they brought out this time around. These are going for $9.99 right now. They're 3D shaped pillows, and they have a soft polyester fiber fill. They're also available online. And so let me show you guys here some of the different designs. So they have this one right here with a cute little cat. How adorable is this pumpkin? I'm loving the color. And I also spotted a 3rd design, which gives me haunted house vibes. Costco also has a great sale going on right now on these multi-purpose noodle hand towels that are super soft. These have $2 off right now through July 20th. So they went from 10 down to 7.99. Again, that's the price for a 3-pack. These have a soft chenille noodle fabric that is extra absorbent, so you can pretty much use them for drying your hands or even cleaning up spills. They're perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or everyday cleaning. They're super gentle, so you can use them on delicate surfaces. They're machine washable, and Costco has two to choose from. Now, when it comes to shoes, Costco has some amazing new arrivals like on these Puma women's sneakers. These are going for $31.99. I will let you know I did spot them also on Costco.com. In the warehouse, I only found them in cream, but online they're also available in green and they're really cute. These have great reviews too. People are saying they're pretty comfortable. They do run a little bit narrow, so just keep that in mind. They have the Puma Cat logo on them, and they seem very easy to clean. You just want to wipe them with a damp cloth. Costco also brought out a new style when it comes to these Skechers Swift Fit. I'm really liking the look to these as well. These are going for $38.99. These are for men. They had great reviews on Costco.com, by the way, 4.7 out of 5 stars. And Costco brought these out in two colors. So they do have them in black and also in brown. These are very easy to put on. The whole concept of them is for them to be hands-free. So just slip in your feet and you go. I did spot them in whole and half sizes. Now for ladies, these are the hands-free Swift Fit by Skechers. Again, same concept. It's supposed to be very easy to put on and take off. So these are going for $37.99, and they have great reviews too on Costco.com. 4.5 out of 5 stars. So Costco members are also liking these. I did spot these in tan and black. Again, whole and half sizes on them. And these are supposed to be very comfortable. They have a memory foam insole. Costco also put these cotton gauze throws by the Artist Collection on sale for a limited time. Seems like the deal's going to be ending on July 19th. These are 60 by 70 inch. They went from 15 down to $6.99, so $8 off for a limited time right now. These have a plush reverse, and I'm loving this print right here. It has some cute lemons on it. They also have this one to choose from. Costco continues to bring out more Halloween decor items like this Mickey pumpkin, and it's 3.6 feet tall. I noticed this one's going for $220 pretty much. A power adapter is included. And it has a total of 346 total LED lights with 15 twinkling LED lights. It's the perfect indoor or outdoor decor. Now, if you're looking to make your Halloween setup extra spooky this year, Costco has some really fun options like the 7.5-foot animated monster. It is quite tall. It's going for $180 at Costco. Now, keep in mind for this one, the eyes move around and blink. The arms also move and reach out when someone walks by. Costco also has the 6-foot tall animated vampire butler. It has LED eyes that blink for a spooky effect. This one right here is going for $200. And it comes with a detailed vampire look. It's perfect for adding a haunted mansion vibe. In the frozen food aisle, I came across these delicious treats. These are premium ice cream cubes. I love this concept. $15.29, and you get 32 ice cream cubes, and it's got two different flavors. You have French vanilla, and then you also have the classic vanilla. The serving size is actually of 2 cubes, anywhere between 140 to 150 calories. I also came across Fruit Right, and these are their crunchy candy grapes. You have watermelon, berry blast, and also citrus. $10.89 for a 20-ounce bag. Guys, these grapes are usually sour, but this one claims to be a little bit more on the sweeter side, so that's nice. 1 ounce is 50 calories, a very calorie-friendly treat too. 8 grams of carbs, 7 grams of sugar per serving. This one also sounds really good. These are by Johnny Pops, and it's their organic sour blue raspberry splash. You get 18 bars per box, and these are going for $14.89. Usually when it comes to Johnny Pops, their popsicles are pretty calorie friendly. And sure enough, one pop is only 50 calories. 10 grams of sugar per pop. It has around 11 grams of carbs. Here we have another fun find. It's Snoopsicle, Rasdal Cherry and Lime Sherbet. This one's going for $14.99 and you get 24 Snoopsicles per box. So I thought this was super cool. I'm looking forward to trying it. It's got real fruit juice in it. It's pretty calorie friendly too. One bar is only 60 calories and it's got 11 grams of sugar per serving. I know a lot of people really like the Melona bar, so I thought I should let you know these are on sale, guys. And this box right here has strawberry, melon, and mango. You get 24 bars per box. And so these have $3.70 off through July 26th. So take advantage of this sale now before it ends. One bar is around 130 calories and it has anywhere between 17 to 18 grams of sugar per serving. Costco's got this awesome 3-pack of scissors and they are very precise. They're pretty sharp too, and they come as a 3-pack. It's a great sale in case you're in need of scissors or you're constantly losing yours too. $2.50 off through August 2nd.